This hash brown breakfast casserole is the perfect breakfast. It's easy, versatile, and it's perfect for feeding a crowd and can be made the night before or the morning of. Hi mindful moms and dads, Kristen here. As someone who suffers from a chronic disease, I believe homemade is best, but it doesn't have to be complicated. Today I'm sharing with you my all-time favorite breakfast casserole, and this recipe is almost too easy. But let's be honest, when it comes to entertaining or holiday breakfast, the easier the better. You're gonna love this recipe. So let's put on our kitchen capes and get cooking. This layered casserole is made with hash brown, sausage, egg, and cheese. So the first thing you wanna do is brown up some breakfast sausage. I'm browning up a half a pound of my homemade breakfast sausage. If you're feeding a crowd, you'll want to use a full pound of breakfast sausage and double this recipe. And be sure if you're entertaining gluten-free guests, you use gluten-free breakfast sausage. While your sausage is browning up, prepare your egg mixture by whisking together 6 eggs with a half a cup of milk or cream and half a teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Spray a 7 by 11 or 2-quart baking dish with some cooking spray, and then cover the bottom with about 3 cups of defrosted hash browns. You can use shredded hash browns, you can use cubed hash browns, you can even use O'Brien-style hash browns. Spread the crumbled sausage or veggies or bacon over your hash browns and then top with 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. I'm adding the cheese now instead of on top of my egg mixture. That way, every bite has cheese in it and it's not just on the top of the casserole. Pour the egg mixture over the layers and don't worry if it doesn't fully cover the ingredients. The eggs will puff up as they cook. At this point, you can cover with plastic wrap and pop into the fridge to bake the morning of, or you can put it into a 350-degree oven right now and bake for 40 to 45 minutes. Keep in mind, if you're pulling your casserole out from the fridge, you're gonna wanna add about an additional 10 minutes of cook time. And that's it. This hearty, cheesy sausage breakfast casserole is so incredibly easy to make. And if you have an Instant Pot, you can even make it in your Instant Pot, which I'll show you how to do in the next video. I'll see you there.